Hello, this is Arthur again. Today we're going to take a look at this 2011 XJ. It had a coolant leak. The car would smoke after the engine has been turned off. Mostly it would come from the passenger side in the back of the engine. It was pretty good amount of smoke coming. And I did do a pressure test and I found a leaky hose, which it is difficult to see when everything is assembled, but it's behind the engine, and it's one of the heater hoses that connects to the heater core over here. And it's two hoses and a metal pipe, and the one end comes over here and the other end goes on the bottom over here to one of the radiator hoses. So the hose is sold as one piece only from the dealer, and it is fairly expensive. It comes on all this generation XJs. It's interchangeable. Here's the part number, and it comes as connected two pipes together with two pieces of hose in the end. This is the old one that I pulled off, and the leak was coming from this one mainly, but if you have to replace it, you have to replace both at once, and it is a fairly expensive part. From a dealer, it's $850. You can find them a little bit cheaper online, but if you don't want to wait and get the part to get it going, that's how much you're gonna have to pay around. To get it off, you're gonna have to remove the cowl, wipers, and all this plastic that goes behind the engine. It is not too difficult to remove, however it is a little bit time consuming. Gotta take this out of the way. Make sure you have catch pans in the bottom to catch your coolant, because once you disconnect the pipes, the coolant comes off. I do really like this quick connects that Jaguar and Land Rover use. Let me show you on this new hose. They're much better than some of the European auto cars. These you squeeze and it pulls right out very smoothly. Same on this other end. Over here is a clamp, and then there's one 8mm that holds this down. Overall, it's not too bad. It's just finding the leak is, if you don't have a lift to lift it up to look at it, you're gonna have to check it up to see, and then definitely pressure test it to see where exactly it's coming from. This car has had multiple leaks over time. I've done a water pump on it, it's leaking, and then it had a leak under the intake manifold at some point. Someone else did it, and then now again a leak, and it's behind the engine heater pipes. This car has about 133,000 miles. It's 2011 early non-supercharged V8 XJ. Very comfortable, great car. Does have a little bit of issues here and there, but once addressed, they are fairly reliable. This one also has pretty bad oil leak from the valve covers, and most likely you're gonna have to address that sometime in the future. Thank you for watching. Just comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.